start of the 8th UN Global Road Safety Week. And this issue that we have to observe this week, because the focus is on pedestrians and cyclists, that we have to make the roads safe for them. So we decided that we'll do some actions during this week, and today we have started this in Margao with the DYSP Traffic South and the Assistant Director Enforcement South, which is Nixon Suarez. And this was decided in the road safety, the South Goa District Road Safety Committee, that we should observe this week. So hence we are out on inspection. So we will do an activity every day. Today we are here, tomorrow we are going to do an activity with traffic wardens. The DGP will be addressing the traffic wardens. On Wednesday we will be in Vasco on the 14th. On the 15th we will be doing the bus stop implementations in around in Margao. Then on 16th we are going to Ponda, and on 17th we are hoping to have a cycle rally. Today we are here along with the district police. So Margao town police station has sent some of their personnel. Also the Directorate of Transport Enforcement has a couple of people. PI Traffic Cell Margao is here with some of his staff. And we have Goa Can volunteers, quite about 6 or 7 of Goa Can volunteers are here. And municipality is also here. 2 JEs are here.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.